Yo, what's going on YouTube? Ceejaybrand is back with the brand new tech unboxing video for you guys once again. Now today we're going to be unboxing not such much of the brand new, but one of my brand new gadgets I did pick up recently, which is going to be the Apple iMac 24-inch computer. Why did I get it? I don't know. Why did I wait so long? Find out in the video. Let's go and get straight into the unboxing. Let's go to see exactly what Apple M1 chip iMac has in store for us all. Let's go. Off in this video, I don't know if you guys will be able to see the full thing. If not, I do apologize in advance. But we need to go ahead and take off this little tape that we do have up here. You know, Apple don't give us plastic anymore, just give us a little paper, so that's pretty cool. Let's go and lay the Mac down again, and you guys can see it. Man, face. When I tell you this thing is freaking heavy, it's heavy. I'm not gonna lie. I was carrying this out of the store and I'm like, bro, what the heck did y'all do in here? But I gotta figure out how to open the box up. I keep scratching myself on the box as well because this box is sharp and busted. All right, so I got this just like magnificent box, and let me take this piece off as well. But we got this magnificent box and strap that came with it. So I will be going, you know, putting this box in storage just in case if I do want to travel with it, because I've been hearing that this Mac isn't as heavy as the previous models were, just because, you know, they got sleeker design. And I should have grabbed a knife, so I might go right out there, go grab a knife right quick, because obviously this don't want to open for me this yet. So never mind, we got it open. All right, so let's go ahead and, all right, we're gonna flip you over. Oh, shit. All right, we gotta get the big boy flipped over right quick, and we're gonna open it up like this. So we're gonna go ahead and start off by flipping the case open. Oh. All right, let's go ahead and we gotta stand up for this one right here because it's gonna smack the camera, unfortunately. Let's see. All right, cool. All right, so inside the Mac itself right here, it says, hello, how are you guys doing? No, I'm just playing. It just says hello. All right, let me make sure you guys can go ahead and see everything that's up in here. So I'm gonna pull this out first, which is gonna be the monitor itself. Oh wait, how do you open this box up? I realized that it is a different method. Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, cool. All right, so we just open it up like this and flip that side out. Then we got the monitor right here, the 24-inch 4.5K Retina display. I'm gonna put that to the side right quick, and we're gonna take a look at everything else that's inside this box first. So first to begin with right here, we do have their new Magic keyboard and mouse. Everything in here will be matching exactly what we did order, you know, like the color of it. So I did get the blue one, obviously. So let's go ahead and take this piece of paper off of here, plastic I should say, and you guys can see that the new keyboard is matching the pastel color that's going to be on the front, and the white bezels on the back. Unfortunately, I don't like the white bezels, but hey, whatever. It also comes with the new Touch ID feature as well on the Magic keyboard, so that's a plus right there. Let's put that to the side. Now let's go ahead and see exactly what else we got. Well, dang. Looks like we do have our lightning and the USB-C cable as well in here. However, this isn't like the normal one. This is actually going to be the one that's braided blue, you know, to match, you know, what we got. So every Mac that you guys do purchase within this lineup right here does have its own special colors to it. So that's, you know, that's pretty cool. And then also we have our power. Golly, we got the power cable right here. We got a fat back again, and golly, I don't want this one. All right, we got our battery pack right here. Then we also got the new cable. I'm gonna call this a MagSafe cable for the iMac, but we'll put that up. And ultimately what I'm gonna do is we're gonna finish this review up in this room, and then we're gonna head out to the main area and set this bad boy up and show you guys some more. This is the wall plug-in portion of it, nothing special to it. However, we do have the Magic mouse. We do have the old one, the white one, but you know, hey, we don't need that one no more. Now we got another white one, but once again, it comes with the blue on the back of it to match, you know, the Mac that we do have. So that's that right there. And put that to the side too, because I don't want that to go back in there just yet. I think that's everything. Bro, this box piece is like so freaking heavy, but there's nothing else in here. So let's go to close this up right quick. And it should just be it should have been easy, but I think my box was damaged when I got it, so whatever. Okay. All right, we're gonna put this to the side right quick. And then let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and check and see exactly what we got, left out of this package right here. You guys go ahead to see the big monitor back behind me and everything. But let's check out some documentation and see. Wow. Apple finally gave us color stickers and everything. This right here is going to be, matching the backside of the Mac. So that's pretty cool right there. I like that. And then this is going to be the one that's going to match the front side of the Mac, the pastel version of it. So that's a nice feature. Then of course we got some documentation, some stuff that we really don't need to worry about. Anyway, you guys, what we're going to do next is this. Like I said, we're going to jump out this room. We're going to hop back in the studio in the back and set this Mac up and show you guys some more features about it. But make sure you guys go ahead and stay tuned. If you guys are liking this video so far, please make sure you guys go ahead and like the video. Comment down below if you want to right now and tell me, do you like the stickers? Let's get it, man. So we back in. I got it all set up behind me. So it's time to just power it on and enjoy that 4.5K screen. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. All right, you guys, I'm gonna stand up and show you guys this. I want you guys to be the first ones to see with me. I think it's over here instead. I'm gonna be like, where they? Okay, there we go. Power button on the back of it. There we go. Powering on, baby. Coming on in here, man. I mean, this monitor itself looks so freaking good to me. I mean, I'm honestly in love with it already. It does remind me of their $5,500 option that they do have, like the Pro XDLR. I believe that's what it's called. They got that monitor like 56 or 45.99 or something like that. This is like this thing right here is set up like that, basically, like meaning as in like size, not size, but body wise. That's what it kind of remind me of. Of course, that is a 6K monitor compared to this being 4.5K. However, if your eye ain't that trained, it might be similar. And on top of that, this mug right here is like $3,000 cheaper. So why wouldn't you do it? All right, you guys, I'm gonna bring the camera a little closer. We're gonna go to set this thing up right here because I got the Touch ID. Haven't used Touch ID ever since I had the iPhone 6. I think so. I didn't even get the 8. No, I did get the 8 Plus. Then I switched over to an 11 or the XR and everything. So this is our first time using Touch ID in a very long time. But let's go ahead and get straight into this view. All right, you guys, so this is something I do want to show you guys. Like I said, they got the new Touch ID on here, so it's pretty basic. Like if you do have the standard phone, you go ahead and put your finger on that little button right there, and it will go ahead and start, pairing up, obviously, right there on the computer. So, for all you guys that's not with the, the screen phone, it's the same pretty much setup. So hopefully you guys aren't buying this iMac first. Get you an iPhone first and yeah, upgrade. But yeah, I mean, it's the same exact features on here. And the good thing about this, the cool thing I should say about this button as well, is that not only is it going to be Touch ID, however, this button also acts as like a lock button, or lock button, basic. Like you can go ahead and tap it, and let me wait for this thing to show up. I guess I can set my Apple Pay up a little bit. Computer all set up, is officially configured. I didn't download any apps on it just yet, just because I want to hurry up and get this video over so I can edit it, and maybe we'll include that a little bit later. So this computer behind me specifically, this one right here, this is going to be the Apple iMac 24-inch monitor. Once again, like I said, mentioned earlier in the video, this right here does come with an 8-core GPU and also the 8-core CPU, and then also has only 8 gigabytes of unified RAM. Now, I did want the 16 gigabyte version. However, they only had it in pink at the time, so I was like, I'll get the 8 and take a blue one. So I was really hesitating. I'm like, do I want blue or silver? So they had those two options within the 8 gigabyte unified RAM. So I'm like, you know what? I'm always buying silver. Apple always does silver products. They got new colors out, I remembered. Let me go ahead and do a blue one, and I got it. So that was pretty cool right there. So I'm really going to be using this right here just to start doing my video editing, because of course it has better quality. It's a bigger, and not a bigger screen, but it's a better quality screen than the gaming computer I got in the back. I got those are just like standard, you know, monitors. They ain't really doing nothing for me. So with me trying to get into photography and you know, trying to take this YouTube stuff very seriously, I needed this upgrade big time. So that's what we did. We made that investment, got it. Now, I got a video I want to play for you guys right quick, and you guys will be able to hear the sound of the sound quality. This is going to be coming straight up from the iMac itself. I got the microphone mounted on me, so we're going to go ahead and play the video. I want you guys just to listen to the sound, and you know, me personally already heard it. Bruh, don't even need external speakers unless you're that picky. But let's go ahead and play it right quick for you guys. Video for you guys once again today. Like I said, we're gonna be checking out some Apple Watch tip of the glass watch cases, just because, you know, we got the Apple Watch Series 7 and we ain't got no sort of protection on it. So this company right here, they sent us over about like, I mean, look at it. First of all, it got good bass. And it's very freaking clear. Like other iMacs, you know, and MacBooks, they got okay speakers, but this has personally been upgraded. For one, it has good speakers and a new speaker system in there. And then on top of that, we got this right here for the $1,500 option, or $1,499, whatever you want to be picky with. We got that option, and the speakers in here sound like that. I mean, that is very great. Now, like I said, you can always go out and buy you some more speakers, or even pair it up with headphones. Like I got the AirPods. I most likely, if I do video editing, I may use the AirPods, I may not. Who knows? It just depends, man. It's all about your preference. But ultimately, if you are somebody that's on a budget, you got the computer, and that's all you want, you're good. I mean, it comes with the mouse, comes with the keyboard. You got a speaker system already built in, man, and it's cool. Now, let's move on to something different that Apple has went ahead and integrated inside their systems now, which is going to be the 1080p camera that's finally inside Macs. Before, they were only using 720p. I just recently had the early 2020 MacBook Air, and it had a 720p camera in there. But now we've been able to upgrade. Now we got 1080p. So I'm quite curious to figure out how that looks. And then also they also do have a brand new microphone system inside of this computer as well. Now the microphone system, I've been told that it's like a studio mic built inside of it. So we'll go ahead and, you know, look at that and see where that's at. But that's on top of the screen right there, and who knows, I don't know if it's good or not, but we're gonna go ahead and record a little clip of us and see if it actually is worth it, and hopefully it is, man. Hopefully it is. Yo, what's going on YouTube? Ceejaybrand is here. I'll display you guys. But anyway, this right here is going to be the iMac's 1080p camera, and also the freaking audio quality coming straight off of the Mac. Everything you guys see right now, excuse the background, I'm in the basement obviously, but this is the microphone quality. This is also the camera quality as well. I'm not looking over because I'm just looking at, like, it looks straight good, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm happy to see this finally inside of a freaking Mac. Like this is what we needed, man. This is all we needed. Let's go to switch back over to the big camera. We can wrap this video up, you guys. I'm down and I'm ready. I think that was pretty cool, man. You know, especially coming straight out the Mac, and it's not even the highest one that you can go to, but you know, I mean, camera quality wise, I think it looks pretty good. Could they have done better? Of course, but this is just one step. Who knows? You know, springtime is around the corner. Who knows what Apple is going to pull out next when it comes down to the Macs and different Apple products, man. I'm down for it. I love it. It's very great. Should I have gotten a MacBook Pro? Maybe. But do you got that type of money? Nah, bruh. Nah, I'm broke. I'm broke, man. I'm broke. Let's go ahead and continue straight into this video, you guys. Like I said, we already went down with the specs of the computer, some of the specs, I should say. I'm not gonna go full detail in because I personally don't want to hear myself talk about it. And if you guys are interested in learning more specs, you can go ahead and check the link in the bio below, which I will go ahead and either include Apple's logo or either Amazon. But most likely I'll put Apple's in, just so you guys can actually go ahead and see what's the difference between getting a 2-port one and also the 4-port. So I got the 4-port, obviously. So I got the 4-port option, and the reason why I got the 4-port option just because it did give me an opportunity to get the 16GB RAM, but I didn't get it. And I came home, I'm like, bro, you bought the $1,500 option, didn't even get the 16GB RAM version? What's the point? But there is one difference that I can pretty much tell that could, you know, lead you into making your mind up. So if you get the 2-port option, which comes with 2 Thunderbolt, or I call them USB-C ports and everything, if you get that option right there, you don't get the 8th core of the GPU. You only get 7 cores. So I was like, I guess that's why they upped it up, just because of the extra core. But I mean, it's up to you. You got to do your own benchmark test. There's plenty of websites you can go to and look at them. I did my research. The lady at Apple, she wasn't that knowledgeable for me. I was kind of upset, but at the same time, she gave me enough information to make my final decision. So therefore, I'm happy I did my own research and realized, like, okay, I do want this one, but I still messed up. I still messed up. Well, man. Anyway, more stuff about this right here. So like I said, I got the 4-port option. Now the 4-port option, it does give you up to 2 terabytes. So the 4-port option, it does give you up to 2 terabytes of storage. Now if you get the 2-port option, you can only get up to like 1 terabyte. So me personally, this right here is a 256. The reason why is because it's like, I think Apple charged like $400 for additional storage when I can just go get me the solid state drive for like $100. Call it a day, you know. I was like, I'm not gonna spend that much money putting you inside of there when I can just go to get the external one and then use that one on like a MacBook Pro, you know, whenever I do go buy that one as well. That's option. That was my option right there. So if you're somebody that wants it in there, you can get up to 2 gigabytes. I mean, why the heck did I keep saying 2 gigabytes? But you can get up to 2 terabytes of storage inside the 4-port option and 1 terabyte inside of the regular one. Other than that, the 4-port option, the 4 ports on there, I should say, are going to be 2 Thunderbolts, and then you also get 2 USB 3 ports. Ultimately, you get 4 USB-C ports. So that's that. That's that right there. It also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack, and that's it. That's all the ports that you can think of. Oh, besides the Ethernet cable port, that's also going to be listed on the charger brick. So it's not going to be on the computer back of it. It's going to be only on the charger itself. So I guess that would be portable. That way you won't have to have that long cable hooking up to your computer. You can have it just, you know, on the floor where it belongs. Now, cool thing that I did also notice when I was looking on the website is this. You know how everybody want to mount their monitors and stuff up, and you look at this one like, oh bro, I can't even mount it, I don't want to buy it. You actually can. You just gotta go to Apple's website and search for, if you hit on Mac and there's like some type of tool or some type of tab you can open up, and it says you can order this MacBook behind me, the 24-inch monitor, and you can get like a Visa mount built into it. It's the same price, I think, so it may be $100 more, but if it's not, then I'm pretty sure all they did was take the stand out and just give you the Visa mount instead. So I don't know. I wasn't gonna do all that. I don't care. It can stay right here on my desk. All I care for, man. That was that. But anyway, you guys, that's all I got for today's video. Make sure you guys go to like the video, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for some more, because I will go ahead and release another video within a couple next weeks of me using this and editing videos on there, so I can show you guys exactly how this works and if it's worth it and how does it actually handle 4K videos. But until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.